I'm Tanya. This is my channel and I welcome you to it. Today, what we're going to do is I have some scrap wood, some planks that was just laying around the garage. And I'm the type that I don't like to waste anything. So, I have this bottom piece from an old office chair that somebody gave me. So I said, who doesn't need an extra hand in the garage? So today what I want to do is make a garage buddy from using the things that we have here. All right, so let's get started. So as you can see, I got a rectangle here, and what it's going to do is fit right on this. And if you'll notice that this board is a little bit warped, that's okay. Like I said, you don't have to have a whole bunch of fancy equipment, and nothing is going to be perfect all the time. So don't let that discourage you. All screwed up, squared up. I want to show you how I got to this point right here. All I did was lay this down flat, turn this over, just like that. And how I got to the midpoint is I just measured how long the board is and marked my center point, and then I measured here, the back of this swivel plate, and got the center of that, and then I lined them up. And I did the same thing with the front. Just take the midpoint of that and the midpoint of this and line them up. And then I took a pencil, of course, traced an outline, and then what I did was I just marked where my bolts are going to go. All right, so that's how we got to this point. All right, and what I did was I took my drill and I measured my drill up to my bolts like this. And as long as you can see a couple threads on the outside, that is a good indication that they will fit into the hole. And so what I just did, because this is very, very thick wood, I just made sure that I went in as straight as I could. Went in as straight as I could, and let's see if it's gonna go in there. It's gonna be a snug fit there, okay? And I just did the same thing on each one of these. So we're gonna do a little bit of sanding here. Doesn't really need a lot, but just want to kind of knock off some of the little splinters and everything. And I'm going to put my earplugs in because it can get a little loud. And of course, my dust mask. So are you starting to see what we're going to end up with? Okay. Now what I want to do is pre-drill my holes so that we can attach this top. I'm going to make sure that we got everything squared up. There. here, there, and then I'll be able to open it. And what it'll do is like that. Okay, my piano hinge. So I'll know where to make my cut. And I'm just gonna use my drill bit here because this is metal and it'll show up a lot better. Metal, the little shards will pop up. You definitely don't want to breathe them in, nor do you want them to get in your eye. And even though I have on glasses, this is just an extra measure of protection. All right, so this is just a close-up of how the screw head or nail head will be recessed down in the wood and not sitting on the top. I did say I was going to show that to y'all. And I want to show you where we cut the continuous hinge with the hacksaw right here. And now all I'm going to do is shave off these little barbs so it's not so sharp and everything, okay? That's all I'm going to do. Doesn't take much. Just a little smooth. Another little tidbit is these are the tiny screws that came with the hinge, but I need a little bit more sturdy screws, and so these are the ones that I'm going to use for that. But I want to let you know that sometimes you don't always have the exact thing that you need. So what I did was I took my bolt cutters and I decided how long I wanted my screws, and so I just cut them with that. So it's pretty simple. You just open it up here. Put your screw in there. I can get it while holding this. Let's see if I can do it. Put it in there like that, and then you just cut it. It's not too hard. Let me see if I can do it while we're doing it. Okay. All right, and then this is what we end up with. See how much shorter that is than this one? So whatever length you need your screw to be, you could use a bolt cutter and it'll work out just fine. All right, y'all, so got the hinge attached in a couple places. And basically all I did was took a drill bit and pre-drilled a hole so that I wouldn't have anything splitting on me once I put the screw. I just grab the screw. And you just continue down the line until you're finished. And we are done. And it works. And that's be an extra hand for when we're working in the garage. Got plenty of room in there. All right, now that we are done, we can attach the box to the base. What I'm doing now is securing the bottom. With the bolts, washers, and nuts. And then I'll tighten these up. Okay. All right, time for the reveal so that you all will know that you are quite capable of making something that is useful to you. All right, so here's our little garage buddy. It moves pretty well. just like an office chair would. And then you have a place to store some of your stuff that you use most often in the shop. So, and just like I said, we can move this out of the way, slide it back and forth, and you can do what you want to do with it. If you had longer items to put in there. And then from office chair to garage buddy. And it also works as a bench. You can have a seat on it. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy making it. It's a nice little addition to the garage and will surely help out when you feel like you need an extra hand. So thanks so much for stopping by. And if you would please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell notification for my next video. Thank you. And as you can see, it is like a bench. You can roll to where you need to go.